Looks ridiculous. All right, I'm gonna try this again. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Ryan, I'm the DIY Bandit. I just like the name, DIY Bandit. It's kind of cool, right? And I look ridiculous. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I am a dad, working full-time and raising kids. When I come home from work or the weekends, things are constantly breaking. I am always on the lookout for some sneaky DIY, and I turn to this Bandit. This is DIY Bandit, the YouTube channel where I do lots of sneaky home projects around the house and rogue product reviews, saving you time and money. It's DIY done differently. That's what this channel is all about. I'm a homeowner. I've got 3 homes under my belt. I'm no professional at all, but I am a DIYer. This channel is all about DIY projects and how you can find solutions to common household problems. I also tackle how to keep things clean, how to maintain your car, and even travel tips for your family. We've got lots of cool things going on. Anything from installing a bathroom faucet to tiling to changing your HVAC filter. There's lots of great things that you need to know as a homeowner if you want to develop your DIY skills, and I'm going to teach you how to do it step by step. And don't forget, I also do lots of product reviews. We call them rogue because they're different, they're honest. Things like gas grills and kids' bikes and fire pits. Anything that I recommend has been vetted by me, or I've done the research so that you can trust that whatever I put out there is going to last. I figured out a way to save thousands of dollars a year by doing all this work by myself. Here on this channel, I want to empower you to tackle your own home projects and do it differently, but with confidence, and save money along the way. This is more than a channel, it's a community of like-minded bandits. So if you're a novice, leave a comment in any of the videos. Let me know how they worked. If you're a professional in the industry, comment as well and let me know your opinion either way. I want to hear from you. Click that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. I put out new content regularly. All right, we'll see you out there, bandits. Thanks so much and stay sneaky. This looks ridiculous. All right, I'm gonna try this again. It goes well with the mustache, don't you think? Why am I dressed in all black? Am I like a ninja or a bandit? I don't really get it. Wait, am I like a Western bandit or like a fox, sneaky kind of bandit? More like a thief? I know it's hard not to look at the mustache, look at the mask. Wait, I gotta put this thing back on one more time. I got it online. It was like $3.98 to be exact. There we go. I am the DIY. Oh my God. Should I take it off? I know. I feel so ridiculous.